In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Comvita Manuka honey discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Comvita Manuka honey discount code. Right here, as you can see, we have this website which is called discountcode.co.uk. And as you can see, we have a list of different type of deals that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with the free shipping, all you have to do is select get deal right here, and there is no code required. You can just simply select shop now and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount code will be applied automatically so that you can get that free shipping. Also, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, there is another website which is called Knoji right here. And as you can see, we have other promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this $25 discount, all you have to do is select your code right here. And this is a discount code that you can use in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.